Last time we had learned about up to this portion. Okay. Then next topic. Today we start work and energy video number 2. Okay. Let us start now. Experiments to explain more about positive, negative or zero work. Okay. Activity. Take a plastic glass. Look at the screen. This is the plastic glass. Okay. Take a plastic glass or cup and make a hole in center of its bottom. Listen carefully. Take a plastic cup or glass and make a hole in the center of its bottom. Okay. Look at here. Look here. Okay. This is the hole of plastic cup. Take a long thread like this. Okay. This is the thread. Take a long thread, double it and pass it through the hole. Okay. Pass it through the hole of the cup. Tie a knot each to the ends of both sides. This is the first knot and this is the second knot. Okay. This is the knot. Tie of both sides. Okay. This is the experiment number A. Okay. Then as shown in the figure A, put the cup on a table. Put the cup on a table. Okay. Put the cup on a table. Then one nut fall onto the cup and one nut. Here is the hang of this position or this direction. Okay. Look at here. Keep one of the knot in the cup and let the thread carrying the other knot hang down along the side of the table. This is hang down along the side of the table. Okay. Then after some time, look at here. After some time, the cup will move slowly towards the heavy or hanging end of the string. Heavy or hanging one of the string. The cup moving slowly towards the heavy or hanging end of the string, because this is the knot. The force of the knot is greater when the knot falling down from the table. That time cup also moving this direction. You can do it in your house. Many cups, you have many cups in your house. That's why you can do it, because not a very heavy or very costly substance in this experiment. Okay, cup easily to collect in your house. Okay. The cup will move slowly towards the heavy or hanging end of the string. Look here. Then second one, the force and the displacement are in the same direction. Look here. This is the force from this direction. Okay. This is the knot applied the force of the cup. This knot is applied the force of this curve, and the displacement of this curve also this direction. And here is the sentence: force and displacement are in the same direction. That is positive work. Its work is positive because theta is 0 degree. Theta is 0 degree or 180 degree here. In figure B, this is the first experiment. In figure B, when the cup is sliding along the table, stop it by putting a ruler in its path. Putting a ruler in its path and observe it. The cup will be stopped here because this is the ruler obstacle object of the path of the cup and nut. That's why the cup stop here, could not move. Now the cup will not slide. Cup not slide because of ruler. The force perpendicular to each other, theta is equal to 90 degree. The force perpendicular to each other, theta is equal to 90 degree, and the work is 0. Work is 0. In figure C, keep the cup at the center of the table and leave two nuts hanging on opposite sides of the table. Okay? Look at here. This is one nut and this is another nut, and in between the cup in between two nuts, and observe opposite side of the table, two nuts hanging, one nut and second nut, two nuts hanging on opposite side of the table. This side is right side and this side is left side of the table. And look, the cup does not move here and here because of the weight of the nuts is same. Okay, the no displacement takes place. The cup does not move this side or does not move this side. That's why the no displacement takes place. That is which work? Look at here. The force and the displacement are in the opposite direction. The force and displacement is in the opposite direction. Theta is equal to 180 degree. The work done is negative. Okay? The displacement and force are in the opposite direction. Then the definition of negative work is the force and displacement are in the opposite direction. That work is done is negative. And theta is 180 degree. Solve example in your textbook. Solve example given in your textbook. Calculate the work done to take an object of mass 20 kg to a height of 10 meter. G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Given values is M is equal to 20 kilograms, S is equal to 10 meter, and G is given 9.8 meters per second square. The formula we can write here, F is equal to M into G. So F is not given. Okay? F is not given. F is equal to M is given 20 into minus 9.8, because the minus 9.8, why the minus 9.8? Because the gravitation height of the object is from the earth. That's why the minus 9.8. The negative sign is taken because the displacement is opposite to the direction of the force. Okay? Direction of the force. Opposite. When the direct displacement of opposite to the direction of the force, that time you can G, gravitation, is negative, taking negative. Okay? And the multiplication in between 20 and 9.8 is 1960. But here is the one decimal point, then 0 from left side giving a point to one side, one decimal. That's why 0 is cancelled, and the remaining answer is F is equal to minus 196 Newton. And now W is equal to F into S. W is equal to F into S. F is given, we calculate here, minus 196 into S. S is 10 meter. Then W is equal to minus 196 into 10. W is equal to minus 1960. 1960. because multiplication of 196, okay, and joule. This is positive. What is this is positive? Because the work done here, and the joule joule is to 10 raised to minus 7 7 erg, and that's why Newton and meter converted into joule. The negative sign appears because of the negative work here. The negative sign appears the negative work, and here is the minus 1960 joule. Okay. The answer here is not given a negative sign. You can give the negative sign here. Okay. The negative sign appears because of the negative works, because the displacement and the force are opposite direction. Praveen has applied a force of 100 Newton on an object at an angle 60 degree to the horizontal. The object gets displaced in the horizontal direction and 400 joule work is done. What is the displacement of the object? Look at here. This is the solved example given in your textbook. Displacement of the object. What is the displacement of the object? Force is 100 Newton. Given values is theta is equal to 60 degree. S here angle is 60 degree. That's why theta is equal to 60 degree. F is equal to 100 Newton. And W is equal to 400 joule. And S is equal to question mark. Here is the formula. W is equal to Fs into cos theta. We know that. W is equal to F into S into cos theta. Substitute the value of F, S and cos theta. Sorry, F, S, F cos theta and W, because the W is given, F is given, S is not given. Cos theta is no. Cos theta is 60 degree. That's why W is equal to 400 joule. Here is the write down here. 400 equal to 100. F is equal to 100 into S is not given, so S is as it is, into 1 upon 2, because the cos 60 is equal to 1 upon 2 in trigonometry ratio. Trigonometry. Okay? The table of the trigonometry, when we solve, that time the cos theta, cos 60 is 1 upon 2. And the multiplication coming division and division coming multiplication here. 100 is multiple here, coming this side divide. Okay? 400 upon 100 is equal to 1 upon 2 into S. This is 4 only. 4 into 2 is equal to S. Because the 2 is division here. Coming this side, multiple. And S is equal to 8 meter. Because the displacement have a unit. So S is equal to 8 meter. Then we can write here displacement of the object is 8 meter. Energy. What is the energy? Okay. The definition of energy. Energy in Marathi, Urja. The capacity of a body to perform work is called its energy. Okay. This is the definition of energy. The capacity of a body to perform work is called its energy. Every person should different energy, okay? The units of work and energy are same. The units of works and energy are same. The unit in SI system is joule, while that in CGS system is erg. Energy exists in various forms like mechanical, heat, light, sound, electromagnetic, chemical, nuclear and solar. These are the various types of energy. Kinetic energy. A fast cricket ball strikes the stumps a fast cricket ball strike the stumps, they get more, or the striker hits a coin on the carom board, as well as one marble strikes another in a game of marbles. One marble strikes another in the game of marbles. Look at here, this is the carom board, this is the marble. One marble strike on another marble. From the above example, we can understand that when a moving object strikes a stationary object, that also have the stationary object in a moving position. The stationary object moves, thus the moving object has some energy, because the moving object give some energy to the stationary object. That's why this object is moves from this place to another place, whereas it is. The energy which an object has because of its motion is called its kinetic energy. The energy which an object has because of its motion is called its kinetic energy. This is the definition of kinetic energy. Okay? The energy which an object has because of its motion is called its kinetic energy. The work done by a force to displace a stationary object through a distance s is the kinetic energy gained by the object. Once again, the work done by a force to displace a stationary object through a distance s is the kinetic energy gained by the object. Look here. This ball moved from bat. Therefore, the formula of kinetic energy is equal to work done on the object, and we can write the formula is equal to kinetic energy. Yes, K is equal to F into S. F into S. Kinetic energy's formula is F into S because the force into displacement. S is the displacement. Okay. Expression for kinetic energy. This is the most important topic. Expression for kinetic energy. Suppose a stationary object of mass m moves because of an applied force. Let mu be its initial velocity. Here mu is equal to 0. Let applied force be F. This generates an acceleration A in the object, and after time t, the velocity of the object becomes equal to v. The displacement during this time is s. The work done of an object W is equal to F into s. According to Newton's second law of motion, F is equal to ma. This is the first equation. Similarly, using Newton's second law equation of motion, then S is equal to ut plus 1/2 at square, u into t plus 1/2 into a into t square. However, initial velocity is 0, u is equal to 0. Then substitute the value u is equal to 0, then this is the multiplication also 0, then remaining only this 1/2 into a into t square. S is equal to 1/2 into a into t square. This is the second equation. Look at here. Okay. F is equal to ma and S is equal to 1/2 a t square. To both two equation here 1 and 2 we will find W is equal to ma into 1/2 at. Using equation 1 and 2, W is equal to ma into 1/2 at. because W is equal to F into S. This is the value of this MA is the value of F. 1 upon 2 80 is a value of S. Okay. Here is the 80 square. Here is not given 80 square. Write down here 80 square. Okay. Using equation 1 and 2. Yes, here is. See here. W is equal to 1 half m 80 square. This is the third equation. This square is also write down the bracket square. Okay. M into a square a t bracket square. Using Newton's first equation of motion. V is equal to u plus at. This is the first equation of Newton's first law. V is equal to 0 plus at. And V square is equal to at square. V square is equal to at square. Substitute the value of V. 80 square is V. 80 square. Then you can write here W is equal to 1 half m V square. Using equation 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 80 square here. And 80 square is equal to V square. That's why we can write the 80 square, substitute, and V is write down here. Then you can write 1 upon 2 into mv square using equation 3 and 4. W is equal to K. That's why you can write here K is equal to 1 half mv square. The kinetic energy gained by an object is the amount of work done on the object. That's why K is equal to 1 half mv square. K is equal to W, we know that. That's why W is here. Then write down K and formula as it is. K is equal to 1 half mv square. This is the formula of kinetic energy. We can express in this type in the examination. Solve example. A stone having a mass of 250 gram is falling from a height. How much kinetic energy does it have at the moment when its velocity is 2 meters per second? Given m is equal to 250 gram is equal to converted into kilograms. The 250 grams upon 1000, then division is 0.25 kilograms. P is equal to 2 meter per second and K is equal to 1 half mv square. K is equal to, formula is K is equal to 1 half mv square. Then substitute the value of m and v. 1 upon 2 as it is. M is given 0.25 into 2 square. 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 0.25 into 2 into 2, that's 2 times 2 into 2, that's what 2 and this is 2 are cancel, and 0.25 into 2 is 0.50, that's why we can write the 0.5 joule. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer of kinetic energy. How much kinetic energy does it have at the moment when its velocity is 2 meter? You can write here how much. 0.5 joule is the kinetic energy. Okay, Today we stop here. Then next time we look next part of the chapter. Till then, bye. And every sentence you write in your notebook and send me a picture or pic from your notebook